We will talk about how to reset a WB26 battery which comes with the AD600 Pro. So what's happened is I've not used it for a while, and now you'll notice that it's not even charging, doesn't have any charge left. And when I try to recharge it, the red light just stays on the charger and it doesn't charge. Let me show you when I go to recharge what happens. I have a regular battery which is charging and shows up on the indicator, as you can see here. When I go press the button on the battery, it does have some charge left. But when I connect the same thing onto our battery, which has this particular issue, it's not really charging, neither is the charge light going on. Once we need to reset it, I put it back here. It just works. So many a time you might go to the service center taking this for a repair, but it might not be required. And if you have a shoot the next day, this hack might just save you a lot of money. Let's go ahead and show you how this works. First and foremost, let me tell you there are 8 screws here. 1, 2, 3, under this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it's very important that you do not touch any of these screws, which are actually dummy screws. So if you try to rotate this, it might just eat into the thread. So what we will do is we will open the screws which are metal, the ones on the periphery. So the point is we've got to remove all 6 screws except these 2 which are dummy screws. So you can remember the one where the contacts are, all the 4 go off, and where there are no contacts, the outer 2 have to be removed. These 2 are plastic and they're just dummy screws. So the company wants you to avoid your warranty by rotating those without their permission. So don't worry about it. Just remove these 2 on top and these 4 out, and then you should be able to remove this plate out. That's a pretty straightforward process. I had some tape here, so I removed it. So now the process must be easy. There you go. This is the top. It's nothing electronic on this. It's just an insulation pad with some cushioning. We keep that aside. So the only thing that you need to do now is, this battery is not showing up any power. So you have these 2 points here, right here, and this, it needs to be shorted with, say, a pin or anything, or we don't really have a jumper. So if we short these 2, the battery will get reset and it'll work again. So let's take a pin or something. Don't worry, you won't get an electric shock if you touch this. A pin or a wire, and I can short them. So I have this cable. It's just one of those things which comes like a cable tie, and I've kind of opened the edges out here so they're exposed, these 2. We go ahead and just touch these 2 together, and that should bob up. I've touched these 2 together, and hopefully that should reset the battery. But we can just try charging it once without touching any of these points. So we've connected this after that shorting, and you can see the green light showing up here, which means it's charging. That's a great news. So let's just go ahead, close this back in, and let's put it on charge after a bit. I hope I saved your day just before you had a shoot. Do not touch any of the other things. It's a lithium-ion battery and it could catch fire. You don't have to open any of the other things in this battery. Just go ahead, do this shorting process, and you're good to go. You can put it back together. So putting it back is again simple. Align these 2 and you're good to go. It sits in place. Press it a little bit and put all these 6 screws back in, and you're done. The battery is back to a working condition now.
Please hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you and share it with your friends.